Hey guys, welcome to Deals with Amazon. Top 3 best smart drone camera in 2023 are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. Did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top 3 best smart drone camera of 2023 from trustworthy brand to assist you in making a decision after extensive investigation. It discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, number 1, DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC. Lightweight foldable camera drone. About this item: carefree creation. Weighing less than 249 grams. Mini 3 Pro. Doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Seriously, pro shots capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K 60 FPS video and 48 MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Fly with confidence. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. Create and share on the go. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed, and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display. Number 2, DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. About this item: up your game. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content. Capture impressive 48 MP photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K 60 FPS video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 m 10 kilometers, and can also deliver 1080p FHD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. Improved flight. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Intelligent tracking. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subjects centered. POI 3.0 tracks moving subjects like people and vehicles. App compatibility. The DJI Fly app requires iOS v10.0, Android v6.0, or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11 XS Max, XS, XR, X8 Plus, 8, 7 Plus, 7, 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6, iPad Pro, 9.7, iPad Air 2, 9.7, iPad Mini 4, 8, iPad Pro, 10.5, iPad Pro 2018-11, iPad Pro 12.9, Samsung Galaxy S20, S10 Plus, S10, S9 Plus, S9, S8 Plus, S8, S7 Edge, S7, S6, Note 10 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, Huawei P30 Pro, P30, P20, P10, Mate 30 Pro, Mate 20 Pro, Mate 10, Nova 5, Nova 4, Nova 3E, Nova 2, Honor 8X, 10, 9, 20 Pro, Magic 2, Mi 8, Mix 2s, Mix 2, Redmi Note 5, Oppo Find X, R15, Vivo Nex, X27, X21, X20A, OnePlus 7, 6T, 5, Pixel 3 XL, 2 XL, 2, LG V20L, GG6, Sony Spiel 1. What you get: Mavic Air 2 aircraft, remote controller, intelligent flight battery, 3x low noise propellers, pair, RC cables, USB Type-C, Lightning, standard micro USB, control stick, gimbal protector, battery charger, Manuals, AC power cable, Type-C cable. Video capture resolution, 4K HD. Operating temperature range 10 degrees to Number 3 DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo Drone. About this item up your game. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a half-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K 60fps video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-bare image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 m 10 kilometers, and can also deliver 1080p FHD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. Improved flight, an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes. Allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions. Makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Intelligent tracking. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subjects centered. Hoi 3.0 tracks moving subjects like people and vehicles. App compatibility. The DJI Fly app requires iOS v10.0, Android v6.0 or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11 XS Max, XS, XR, X8 Plus, 8, 7 Plus, 7, 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6, iPad Pro, 9.7. What you get. Mavic Air 2 aircraft, remote controller 3x intelligent flight battery, 6x low noise propellers, pair, RC cables, USB Type-C, Lightning, standard micro USB, control stick, gimbal protector, battery charger, battery charging hub, battery to power bank adapter, shoulder bag North Dakota filter set, ND16 64 256. Manuals, AC power cable, Type-C cable. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and commenting below check out the description.